There are lots of things that happens when you stop paying your premium in any life insurance policy you signed up for. And in this video, I'm going to highlight some of these things so that you'll be informed and know what you may be losing when you stop paying your premium. Okay, premium is that money you pay every month to sustain an insurance policy you signed up for. Okay, now number one thing that happens when you stop paying premium is that you may lose life cover. All right, life insurance policies has life benefit. That's what we call the life cover. Take for example, you sign up for saving for the child's future education, and you in that policy it states that you should be paying every month on monthly basis. Maybe every month you pay something like $100 or $50 or $200. That's the agreement at the initial stage of that policy. Then, if along the line you stop paying maybe for 3 months or for 2 months, depending on the rules clause guiding that policy, and since you miss 2 consecutive months, when that policy matures, or maybe in the course of saving for that future education of that child, and something happens, maybe the life assured dies, in a situation like that, because that policy has life cover, that the insurance company will take over the payment and be paying your child's school fees, you are not going to gain that benefit. The insurance company will not take care of that schooling of that your child again, because that life cover benefit has been breached because you do not pay for 2 months. All right. So it's part of the agreement. So that's why when you are paying, run an insurance policy, read through the clauses. All right. So that you know what you're doing. So that when you miss maybe 2 months or a month, you go and pay so that it doesn't extend. Because once that extends, you are going to lose the life cover, but only have the cash you have saved at the end. So that's number one thing that happens when you stop paying an insurance for an insurance life insurance policy you sign up for. Number two thing that happens is that you will not be able to do what, gather enough interest, have enough interest accrued to the premium you are going to pay at the end of the policy. Because at the beginning it has been calculated that once you are religious in making your payment every month or every year, depending on the interval you chose at the beginning, or every 3 months or every 6 months. I get it. That means it have been calculated at the end of the month, at the end of the savings, at the end of the years, maybe 10 years or 5 years, you're going to have some amount of money added as interest. So when you default in your payments, that interest is not going to be complete again. So the insurance company will not add that amount of interest that is supposed to add to your savings at the end, because you did not keep to your own side of the agreement. You missed some months. So that is number two thing that will happen when you stop paying your premium. Number three thing that will happen when you stop paying your premium is that you are going to, gather less at the end. Take for example, you pick a plan called cash flow, and your intention is to save at least $50,000 in the next 6 years to be able to buy a house. All right. Then you have calculated this is how much I'm going to be paying every month to be able to raise up to this $50,000 in the next 6 years. So when you start defaulting and stop paying as you're supposed to pay, you will not be able to gather that amount of money you want to gather at the initial stage when you started. So that's another thing that happens when you stop paying for your premium for any life insurance plan you sign up for. And lastly, which is the worst, is that when you stop paying your premium, your policy lapses. When we say that a policy lapses, it means that the policy stops being active. Depending on the company, some insurance companies will tell you that once you don't pay for straight 6 months, for six consecutive months, you are going to lose any money you have saved so far. Yes, that's what they call policy lapsing. Okay, in case you don't know, if you are picking up an insurance plan, ensure that you don't defraud, you don't stop payment for 6 consecutive months. Some have theirs to be 1 year. So when you don't pay, that policy becomes inactive. And when they check and you have not paid up to 1 year total sum of your premium, you're going to lose the money you have saved so far. Let me make it practical. Maybe you are saving $100 every month. In 12 months, it's going to be about $1,200, right? And as you're paying, at a point you stop for 6 consecutive months. And at the end, when that policy lapses, an insurance company checks and you have already saved only $1,000. You're going to lose that $1,000. Yes, you're going to lose it because in that case, that policy has lapsed. And you have not saved up to 1 year premium, which is $1,200 in this instance. All right. So even if the money stays there for 5 years, if it's a 5 years plan or 6 years plan for 6 years, you're going to lose that money because you have not saved up to 1 year premium before that policy lapses. Yes, we say that sometimes, depending on the lapse, you can reactivate the policy, but it depends on the stage. So once that policy have stayed 1 year and 6 months, and you have not done anything, have not paid anything, it is the final lapse. So there's nothing you can do. You're going to lose that money. So if the policy, the lapsing is maybe might, you may be able to do what reactivate that policy when you provide the documents that the insurance company requires from you. So that is all. What happens when you stop paying your premium as someone that signed up for an insurance plan? All right, life insurance. That's what they're talking about here. So please do well to be paying your premium. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of tips on insurance and technology. So subscribe, so learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. You can watch this video here to learn more on insurance. Thank you and see you some other time.